Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Follow with the last video I have shared with you, jackfruit with 7 dishes. Today is number 2, sticky rice jackfruit with banana leaf. It's very tasty, very yummy and very easy to make. So please join me today with Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Number 2, jackfruit sticky rice with banana leaf. First of all, the very simple dish when you got the jackfruit is just simply remove and enjoy. This number 1, jackfruit. Simply and tasty. And one thing that I don't have to share this one because everybody will know how to remove the seed and enjoy. This number 2 is sticky rice jackfruit wrapped with banana leaf. It's very tasty and very easy to make. I will share you how to make this number 2 dish, and it's very easy to follow. First of all, for the ingredient, this is all what we need. We're gonna cut the jackfruit into the slice piece like this. And use 2 cups of this sticky rice equal with 256 grams, 1 cup of pandan juice or water equal with 128 grams, half cup of sugar, half of the coconut can, and a little bit of salt. First of all, we're gonna put together all these ingredients like coconut, pandan juice or water, and salt. Mix it and stir them up. Of course, we're gonna put in the stove and at a medium to high heat. You mix them up everything before you put in the sticky rice. This procedure is not completely cook the sticky rice. It just make sure all that liquid here soak into the sticky rice. Sticky rice, after you wash it, of course, then at this time you can pour it into the pan. And we're gonna cook the sticky rice until all the liquid is soaked into the sticky rice. Actually, it doesn't take long, it's just maybe about 5 minutes. You can see when it's ready. Again, this procedure is not cook the sticky rice completely. Okay? So this way is very fast. You don't have to, soak the sticky rice overnight. Whatever you want to do, you want to make, you just put it in and, fry like this. As you can see, it gets thicker, just like that. You see all the liquid almost soaked into the sticky rice. So at this time, we're gonna put the jackfruit because we don't want to put the jackfruit too early. It will get soggy. There we go. When you put in the jackfruit, the stove is off. At this time, just stir them up to make sure all mix it up together. Then it's ready to wrap. Very simple, and also it's make the cooking time is a lot faster. Okay, time to wrap. This is all the banana leaf. After you wash, you're gonna cut a piece like this. Okay. And look at this. This is all the cake I just wrapped, and I will show you how to do it. It's very nice, easy, and it's very even. First of all, you will cut the hard part on the top here to make it easy to wrap. Okay, just cut a little bit on the top. All right. Scoop the sticky rice into a spoon like this. More or less, it's up to you, but it's just like this side would be perfect. Okay, put it down, place on the middle of the banana leaf. Very simple. Wrap around the sticky rice. Use the spoon to press it down a little bit on the top to make it nice and clean. Fold it. The other side, the same thing. Press it down a little bit. Fold it nicely. Look at that. Actually, you don't have to bend like this. You can just fold it straight down. But by doing this to make the sticky rice look nicer. Okay? Again, same thing. One scoop down. Even it out. Simple, just wrap around the sticky rice. Just like I'm doing right now. Simple. Press it down a little bit on the top here so sticky rice will fall down nice straight. Bend and fold it. Same thing. There we go. Fold it. Nicely done. It's all even. See, look at that. So just continue to do it. Okay? Just follow step by step. Look at this, how nice, beautiful and very even rice cakes with jackfruit and wrapped with banana leaf. Now it's time to go to steam. See, look at all even. Very nice job. Very easy, isn't it? You can do it, no problems. So now it's time to get ready for steam. This number 2, sticky rice jackfruit with banana leaf. And it's very fast to steam, about 15 to 20 minutes. You're gonna have yummy dish. Again, what I'm sharing today is dish number 1. Very easy, tasty, and simple. Remove the seed and enjoy. Dish number 2, sticky rice jackfruit with banana leaf. Very yummy and easy to make. Thank you very much for watching the video today. And if you like my share, please give my video the thumbs up and like, share, so everybody can enjoy the dish I'm sharing today. And I will continue to share 5 more dishes of the yummy jackfruit. And please don't forget to subscribe to support Lee Dynasty Kitchen. I thank you very much again for all your support. And don't forget to watch out for the next video, dish number 3, sticky rice jackfruit. Beautiful on the eye and so yummy in the mouth. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.